Seeking expert care for umbilical hernia repair in Kolkata? Metro Health Services, renowned for its skilled General Laparoscopic Surgeons, offers advanced treatments with precision and care. An umbilical hernia occurs when part of the intestine protrudes through a weak spot in the abdominal wall near the belly button. This common condition often necessitates surgical intervention for relief and to prevent complications. At Metro Health Services, our experienced team provides both open and laparoscopic techniques, ensuring minimal discomfort and quicker recovery times. As the premier general laparoscopic surgeon in Kolkata, we utilize cutting-edge equipment and minimally invasive techniques for umbilical hernia repair, ensuring optimal outcomes. Our dedicated focus on patient care guarantees the most effective treatment with personalized attention throughout your recovery journey. If you are grappling with an umbilical hernia, rely on Metro Health Services for comprehensive care and expert surgical intervention. Our specialized approach aims to enhance your health with minimal downtime, facilitating a swift and safe return to your routine. For expert consultation and treatment, connect with Metro Health Services, the trusted name in umbilical hernia repair in Kolkata.